What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Agix, which has pumped up 15% in the last 24 hours and currently sitting at 45 cents. So we're going to be looking at its next target. Where is it heading to? Is it time to buy? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it if you're on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can Agix go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and as you guys can see, the market is up today. Just nothing major, just about, again, as you can see, Agix is one of the top gainers. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain 3% in value. Over the last day, 20%. Over the week, 11%, and over the month, a huge 117%. There was a lot of hype around it early February, where it gained, you can see here, nearly 200%, over 200%, hitting 66 cents. But since the 8th of February, it has taken a slight dip in value, and right now slowly starting to pump back up. But is it worth investing into is the main question. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 125% in the last 24 hours, making it $216 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded. A lot more people are investing into it right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and a lot of people are talking about it as well. And we are also going to see some people selling it, taking out their profits, and potentially reinvesting whenever it drops back down. But yeah, so far it has been performing quite well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Agix, which is here in purple at 42 cents. However, we can see Agix trading at slightly higher value here in red at 45 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what we're going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have quite a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours from Agix. So let's say towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting Agix to be more or less trading around the 44 to 45 cents in target. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently staying at that price for the next 12-14 hours. Of course not. It's likely to pump up in value and also drop down in value to about 42-41 cents, and even pump up to about 50 cents as well. But towards the end of the day today, it's likely to balance out at around 45 cents. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking very steep, guys, which only means one thing: it is not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. As you can see, consistently hitting green candles more or less. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, as you guys know, that is not the case. What I am expecting is for it to take a little step back over the coming days and drop down to around 40 cents, and then slowly start to gain value up to about 50 cents towards the end of this week and early next week is what my predictions are at the moment. But again, no major changes are expected. But at the moment, the overall outcome over the coming 7 to 8 days seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So yeah, do expect an overall increase in value. Now Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we have taken a complete U-turn, guys. We're not looking bullish at all. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking negative, heading towards the bearish direction, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Agix over the coming weeks. So I'm talking about over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. I'm expecting Agix to have dropped down in value. But again, guys, that is according to the chart. Myself, I'm expecting it to pump up to about the 80 to 85 cents in target over the next 6 to 8 weeks. Let's say early April to mid-April 2023, I am expecting Agix to be trading around the 85 cents in target. But of course, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is. If there are such, crashes or major pumps and bull runs, these things will have a major impact, not just on the value of Agix, but the whole crypto market in general and anything like that. That's why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Agix over the long term, but over the short term, as I mentioned, do expect it to take a little step back. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. And as you can see, we are trading in the top tier level now. Over the last few days, we have been fluctuating in between the top tier level and the blue zone. As you can see, it's literally been up and down, up and down. But hopefully over the coming weeks, guys, I'm expecting it to slowly gain value and potentially head towards the $1 mark by mid-year is what my predictions are, and potentially heading way above that towards the end of the year. But yeah, the first target for us would be the $1 mark, which I'm expecting Agix to be hitting by mid-year this year. But again, guys, this depends on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Agix, guys. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments on this crypto. You guys have requested me to do regular updates on this one, so that's why I'm here to keep you guys updated as much as I can. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Agix to hit the $1 mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I have seen a lot of different comments and positive, negative, so on and so on. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Singularitynet. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe, so why not help me out and try and hit 100k subscribers? Because as I mentioned earlier on in the video, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway at 100k. There's not just going to be one winner, there's going to be at least about 5 winners. But again, guys, you have to subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram for the latest cryptocurrency updates. The link to my Instagram will also be in the description box down below. But yeah, any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to focus on this channel or cover on this channel, let me also know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.